This question is from Shubho Bharata Chakravorty. I am Shubho from West Bengal, India. Since the age of 15, I have decided to become a monk at the Ramakrishna Mission. I am 18 now and have just joined college. I reached out to the Belo headquarters via email and consulted with a senior monk regarding my intention to join. And I was advised to complete my bachelor's degree as a minimum qualification. I plan to follow this guidance and finish my degree by the age of 22, after which I can join the mission. Now, my question is, how can I maintain my inner peace and spiritual focus in an environment that feels so antagonistic and alien to my state of mind, especially when I must live in it for almost 4 years? How can I sustain the strength and fortitude required to stay true to my aspiration for monastic life and avoid faltering, particularly in this consumeristic, materialistic, and superficial world shaped by social media, the internet, and technology?
Good. First of all, we'll acknowledge this is a great blessing that this young boy has the intention of devoting oneself to spiritual life and spiritual life alone. That's what being a monk means. You don't want anything else in life, just God. Even the intention itself it's praiseworthy. It's wonderful. So you have this intention. Most important is to protect and cherish it. Sri Ramakrishna says when the sapling is tender, you planted a sapling, it's tender, you need to fence it around. Otherwise, goats and cows will come and eat it up. As he has nicely delineated what are the goats and cows, the world around, it will come and eat it up. So you have to fence it around. For that, you have to generate a spiritual atmosphere for yourself. Read spiritual books. You will, definitely, because you are interested in becoming a monk. Of course, you will be reading spiritual books. There are ashrams. I don't know what is the ashram close to you. Go and visit the ashram. Spend time with the monks. Volunteer in the ashram. Have a little shrine which you design for yourself. Keep Thakur Ma Swamiji there in your personal shrine. Do a little worship, maybe a couple of flowers and an incense morning and evening. Bow down from the core of your heart. Pray to the Divine Mother that this intention of mine may it be fulfilled by your grace. Be careful about company. Good company or better than good company is best. If no good company is not available, then no company is better than bad company. Rather walk alone. Protect your mind first. Now, one important thing here is where are my sights? Are my sights on God, on spiritual practices, or my sights on how awful the world around is? That's dangerous. Don't keep my sights. I will not keep my sight on how awful the world around is. No. Then I'll be sucked back into it. Rather, Sri Ramakrishna says, the more you go towards the world, the more you go towards God, the more the world is left behind automatically. Don't try to push the world away. You say the world is awful, it's social media, internet, and all these consumerist, materialist tendencies. All right, but don't keep your attention there. Keep the attention on God. The thoughts on God, the feelings on God, and the activities centered around God. You will have to study and complete your education. And that's good. That's good. Monastic life is a lifelong pursuit. You will start now till the end of your life. So it requires patience. So if one does not have the patience to complete one's college degree for the next 3 years, how are you going to stay for 30 years or 60 years hence, for years and years and decades and decades? I remember reading this Russian novel long ago. I don't know who's, Dostoevsky or somebody. There was a young man who wanted to become a monk, and just ahead of his university degree. So he goes to this Russian Orthodox church, to the father there, and says, I want to join and become a monk. The father knows the psychology of the young man. Is there some examination coming along? He said, yes. She said, well, complete that and come. He said, no, I don't want to. I just want to become a monk right now. And he said, look, my boy, you need patience for decades and decades ahead. If you do not have patience to complete the degree for next 1 year, how will you pull along for the rest of your life? So complete that. It's good. I had the exact same tendency. I remember when I went to become a monk first, I was halfway through a particular degree which I was doing, a business school degree. And I told my guru I want to become a monk. And the first thing he asked was, he would speak very slowly. What are you doing now? I said, I'm doing this degree. How much is left? So I don't know how he knew exactly the psychology, or maybe they know. And I said, 1 more year. And see how gentle he was. He didn't scold me. He said, is it good to leave things halfway? It's always good to complete something. Is it good to leave things halfway? And I had a worry. I'm sure Shubho has the same worry. But will everything be all right? Will I be able to become a monk? I don't know what will happen in the next 1 year. And he reassured me. He said, nothing will go wrong. You finish the degree and you'll become a monk. And it exactly happened. 1 year later, I did become a monk. So I pray to the Lord, to Thakur Ma Swamiji, for young Shubho. You complete the degree, hold on to spiritual life, remain centered in spiritual life, and then happily go and become a monk. Don't take no for an answer. Always push ahead. Become a monk. Yes, very good. Very good. One thing which is helpful, I don't know if this young man has taken mantra diksha. You are near Calcutta itself. Go to Belur Math and take mantra diksha. So there is something that you can hold on to. Your Ishta Devata, the mantra given by your guru. You have a guru, a mantra, a practice of your own, which will become the center of your way. How do you? If I say hold on to God, your question would be how? What exactly, precisely, what am I supposed to do? When you have the mantra, you know what you're supposed to do. You're supposed to repeat that mantra and hold on to that mantra. So yes, very good.